The building was built with Skylights by a different manufacturer, so during the tenant improvement build out, we switched the lenses out and put the VELUX product in place. As simple as taking a screw gun, unscrewing the existing domes, removing them from the curbing, and placing the dynamic VELUX domes back on, and screwing them back in place, and it's that simple. The installation's pretty rock solid. The domes fitting over the top have a self-sealing gasket that goes on top of that curb, which prevents the water from leaking back through the lens itself and the frame into the warehouse.
What we noticed was around between 9 and 9:30 that all of the motion lights were going off. So it was all the natural light that we were working by.
Those domes are really cool. One, they're super durable, they're super light. I mean, I touch them all the time, I handle them all the time.
When I worked at another warehouse, it was more depressing, a little bit darker because of the old domes that we had. So it was darker and not wanting to come to work, and now it brightens your day and you're just ready to go.
Having real daylight, I mean, it's a lot better because you're inside all day. I mean, you get your lunches and your breaks, you can step outside, but being inside all day is kind of, you know, it's boring, and when you get the natural light inside, it's a lot better.
I've never seen anything like it, to be honest with you. I've been working warehouses I was 18, and I've never seen anything like it.
When the lights go off, we don't notice it at all because it's not noticeable. It's seamless. I mean, you just walk in and you go to break or anything, and it's almost the same thing as outside. The same brightness. There's no difference.
I've been in, more warehouses than you can count, and seeing how technology has progressed from when I first started in this industry to today, it's amazing. When you walk in the VELUX warehouse, with the new Skylights, it's like day. It's like being outside. There's that much light that has been brought into the warehouse that you feel that you're outside, and then when you look around, you can see that the lights aren't even on.